Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to remove iPhone photos object. So let's take a look how to do that. iPhone added a new features in iOS version 18.1. You can easily remove any object from a photos. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. But first of all, you need to make sure that your phone is iOS version 18.1. So for that, you need to click in your iPhone settings section. After click over there, you need to click here general. After click over general, you will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here about, and then you will see there is iOS version 18.1. So right now my phone is the latest version, so I can easily use that features in my phone. Your phone might be in the future, it's going to be iOS version latest one. If it is earlier, you need to update it to get these features. Anyway, let me jump over in my photos apps, and for example this is a picture and I would like to remove some object from this picture. So what I have to do, you need to use this those days when we try to adjust colors or something, we definitely click over here this icon. So now also you have to click same things, but now you will see there is a new features function added which is called clean up. So if you click clean up, it's going to be take some time to load, and now we'll see the Apple Intelligence found that two background which is object. So if you decide to remove that, you can simply select that and that's going to be removed. Again, if I select that, that's going to be removed. Also, you can select from yourself to remove anything. For example, I would like to remove this person from this picture. So what I have to do, I will use my finger, select this person, and then Apple Intelligence is going to automatically detect and it's going to be removed from this picture. Also, you can click reset and rearrange those picture and remove any person you would like, or remove anything from this picture, any object. So this is how you can easily remove anything from your photo in iPhone. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.